back to your channel MomGudy Days. In the first video I did tell you guys that there will be some cooking videos that will be up on my channel, and the day has come. It's time for the first cooking recipe on my channel, and I was thinking, what should be my first dish? Let me give you a clue. If you ask 100 people as to what their favorite dish is, 90 people of their favorite dish would be this. You guessed it right, it's biryani. Today we are going to prepare chicken biryani, and who is going to prepare that? The dish is going to be prepared by Chef Sundar Kumar. He has many years of experience in running restaurants, and he has been experimenting with lots of delicious dishes, and is none other than my father-in-law. It's time to get all his secret recipes out. So without any further delay, let's get started. Come on. Come on.
so good. I wish I could send the aroma and the taste to you guys. It's so good. It's always been my favorite. I'm sure it's gonna be your favorite too from now.
Wasn't that mouth-watering? If you guys try it at your home, I would love to know how it turned out. If you've got anything to say, you can put your comments in the comment section. See you in the next video. Until then, cherish every moment of your motherhood. See ya.